We're going on an adventure. We're going to Manchester. And then we're going to Liverpool.
What are you doing in Manchester?
We're going to see a show tonight. 13, going on 30. I don't know how it goes. I've never seen the film either, but I mean, who's bothered? But I'm actually really excited to just go on like a date with this guy, which is going to last more than a few hours.
Then you have to come back home.
Yeah, but we're not talking about home yet. We're going to the train station to catch our train to Manny. We've officially made it to the theatre for the first time ever together. And you're not allowed to film, so we're going to have to stop after a little bit, but you ready? Let's go. Oh, that's really good. What's good? We're on the next leg of the journey, and I look awful, eh? I look like I just woke up, which isn't far from being true. We're off to Liverpool. It's like 9 a.m. And yeah, to be fair, we had a pretty decent sleep.
You had a decent sleep.
Okay, I had a decent sleep, and apparently someone else didn't. What happened? Did I kick you?
Finish your vlog.
I mean, we'll be in Liverpool soon, hopefully. Tired, but awake. It's like, yeah, about 9:05, somewhere there. We're exploring Liverpool, and we're gonna go first stop get breakfast.
That's a poor accent. Liverpool.
Liverpool. Going to Liverpool. Looking forward to it. It's not raining, so for me, great start. Don't be pessimistic. What would you like to do today?
Go home.
It's a lie.
The vlog.
Put that in the vlog. It was your idea.
I want to get home sometime today. You don't want to go home today?
Aye. Highly recommend. Where did we go this weekend, baby?
Liverpool.
Oh, got a spot. Oh no, I don't. It was cake. I ripped my pants in Ryman's. I bent down to get a pen from my bag and I ripped my pants. Good news is we're in town, so I can get more pants, but that was embarrassing.
Place.
I'm tired and ready for home, but kind of stranded on a train. We had a really good day. We had a great time. And yeah, actually it was a really fun weekend. I'm glad we did it. Impromptu. But yeah, I'm here for it, so hopefully there'll be so many more Savannah adventures to come. I think that I probably won't do another vlog, but just assume that we made it off the train. Okay, nice talking to you. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.